Why does your scanner show the P0178 engine code? What does it mean? P0178 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel composition sensor circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM is detecting a voltage signal below the expected range from the fuel composition sensor. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the ethanol content in the fuel, particularly in flex fuel vehicles. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel composition sensor, wiring and connector problems, fuel contamination, ECM issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Suburban, GMC Yukon, and Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.